Meaning of goalpost.
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 Goalpost. The term goalpost refers to the pair of vertical posts placed at opposite ends of a football field, between which the ball must pass in order to score a goal. These posts are typically white and are connected by a horizontal crossbar. The term is also used metaphorically to describe a difficult or challenging obstacle that must be overcome in order to achieve success. It is often associated with sports and competition, but can also refer to obstacles in other areas of life such as work or personal relationships.